How to remove header in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove a header into your Mailchimp campaign email. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over Mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to visit the campaigns. So once we have visited the campaigns, you can go ahead and select one of the campaigns that you want to edit that. Click on edit, and then we're going to see everything about that campaign. And the header part is going to be having, in our case, this logo, the signature logo. Also this we're going to have it as a title. So we are going to head over the content, click on edit design, and from here we can go ahead and have the header. So we have some of the components or the cells or the columns. We're going to start by deleting, as you can see, the announcement bar, this link, and also that logo, and we're going basically to let only this one. And if I want to have this deleted, which is going to be considered as a header, maybe I'm going to remove the block, and as you can see, we are going to have a straight to subject right there, email. So you can go ahead and do that for all of the categories of the emails or the campaigns that you have created, specifically for the templates. You can go ahead and create a new template and do that from scratch. For example, I'm going to have this created template. You are going basically to click on content, design, email, just like that. Select one of the templates that you have in here. Each one of them are going to be having a header, except for this one, it is going to have only a specific, as you can see here. Let's name it as a logo. I don't know, I think that it is going to be a logo, but it doesn't matter. So each one of the headers are going to be having a logo. So I'm going to select any of these like that. Select one of the templates, and from these templates we're going to edit the header. So this is the classic, as you can see, editor. We have seen the modern one or the last one, and this one is going to be the case. It doesn't matter a lot. So we are going basically here to have the as you can see, the logo. I'm going to delete it. So, and here we have it. So you can go ahead also and delete whatever you want from here, and you're going to delete your header. Click on continue, and you are going to save your settings. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.